Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upscale images with DGB.lol. Alright, so we are in DGB.lol, and what we want to do here is there's quite a few options, but quite simply we're going to click on free tools and we're looking for an image upscaler. Alright, so here we go. It's this one here. You're going to go ahead, click on the AI image upscaler. It gives you a bit of information over here, and once it opens we can start upscaling our image. On this page over here, you will see now you are going to click or drop any one of these formats here. You can do a max of 25 files at a time at 10 megabytes each, and then you can go ahead and upload. So let's do that. All right, once we have uploaded our image, you can see over here, we are going to either select to enhance the image's quality before upscaling. You can turn that on, and then you can go ahead and choose a model. So once you click on this, you will see that there are quite a few different models, and this will be for depending on what type of image you are upscaling. So let's stay with balanced, and we're going to click on submit. You can see here now that it is in the queue. You can go and create a new task. And if you want to see what your upscaled image looks like, you can go to My Files. You can also see on the left-hand side over here, there is a My Files option. Once you go in there and it has been upscaled, you'll be able to download it.